Do you have a garage door problem? Are you thinking about trying to repair it yourself? We're here for you. Our trained garage door experts will save you time, money, and grief. With the fastest response teams, your garage door will be repaired fast and your life back to normal. Using only the highest quality products, we repair all types and brands of garage doors. Our customers love the fact that we have experienced technicians standing by waiting on your call 24/7. We're standing by right now. We know you're searching for the best service in the business and access to the lowest prices. Look no further. Why not call now? Our phone number is at the bottom of this video. All of our work is guaranteed and our estimates are absolutely free. No one beats our prices ever or our service. Ready to get that garage door repaired? Call us now.